السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Dear colleagues, I'm pleased and thankful to be among you as a participant in the 10th International Conference on Languages, Linguistics, Translation and Literature. I hope my presentation will add value and insight to the conference. Thanks a lot. Skills required for teaching. How to evaluate and develop them. Presented by Dr. Mohammed Djemoui Saber. Introduction to skills for teaching. Teaching effectively requires a set of competencies that encourage teachers to create engaging and supportive learning environments for all students. These important skills include the following: understanding of the subject being taught, effective communication, classroom management, adaptability, empathy, technological proficiency, and cultural awareness. A. Essential skills for effective teaching. Number 1. Understanding of the subject being taught. A solid grasp of the subject matter allows teachers to explain concepts clearly and answer questions confidently. Number 2. Effective communication. Effective communication skills enable teachers to present information in a way that is easy to grasp, while also listening to and engaging with students. Number 3. Classroom management. Classroom management consists of maintaining a positive learning environment where students can focus and learn. Number 4. Adaptability. Adaptability is important for adjusting teaching methods to suit different learning styles and responding to unexpected challenges. Number 5. Empathy. Empathy enables teachers to understand and support the emotional and academic needs of their students. Number 6. Technological proficiency. Technological proficiency enables teachers to integrate digital tools to improve learning. Number 7, and the last one, cultural awareness. Finally, cultural awareness allows teachers to respect and value the diverse backgrounds and perspectives of all students. Now, let's evaluate these teaching skills. Evaluation is essential for effective teaching. Common methods include self-reflection, gathering student feedback, and engaging in peer observations. The first point I am going to evaluate is self-reflection. Self-reflection allows teachers to identify areas of strength and those that need improvement. The second point that needs to be evaluated is student feedback. Student feedback provides insights into how teaching methods are perceived and how they impact learning. The last point that needs evaluation is peer observations. Peer observations allow teachers to learn from one another by observing different teaching styles and strategies. It must be noted that school administrators can also offer unbiased evaluations of teaching effectiveness. concentrating on aspects like lesson planning, students' involvement, and classroom management. Furthermore, examining student achievement data, including grades and test results, can also help in assessing the effectiveness of teaching methods in enhancing learning results. We have seen how to evaluate these skills. Now, let's see how to develop them. To develop the above-mentioned skills, teachers are expected to engage in a variety of professional development activities, such as the following. A. Teachers have to attend workshops and seminars to learn new teaching strategies. B. They have to pursue advanced degrees or certifications to deepen subject knowledge. C. They must engage in mentorship programs with experienced teachers. In addition to this, collaborative learning communities in which educators exchange effective strategies and work together to address challenges are also crucial for professional development. Finally, teachers must engage in reflective practice, like analyzing teaching recordings or documenting experiences of difficulties and achievements. Enables teachers to assess their techniques critically and implement any needed changes. Through the integration of regular assessments and continuous development, teachers can establish clear objectives for enhancement and stay responsive to the changing needs of their students. This continual approach not only improves teaching effectiveness but also fosters a more inclusive and stimulating learning atmosphere, resulting in improved students' performance. The conclusion that we have to draw is that effective teaching requires various skills. By evaluating and regularly improving these abilities, teachers can ensure they meet the diverse needs of their students. Thank you for your attention.